You calculate the distance but forget to carry the one. That buffering face at the You are trying to be the main character, but the washing machine humble brags that it is clearer than your future. You decide to fix the plumbing because your human is clearly incompetent and your hourly rate is 3 treats and a nap. The floor is a responsibilities-free zone, but you already committed to being dramatic. That one of leg strength is doing all the heavy lifting for my final brain cell. 1 more centimeter and I am officially... Mistakes were made, lessons were not learned, and the cup has been successfully evicted. Really calculated the physics, checked the wind speed, adjusted for the carpet's friction, and still decided... Perfect crime. You're trying to parent, but your kid treats your foot like a 5-star buffet.
好，小鸡起飞。好，去后面上，你在这上面来，找你的凳子。好，小鸡去开门。开门，好，开门进去，关门。
You find a glitch in the matrix, but you are too underpaid to report it. The moment you realize you have 0% core strength and 100% gravity. You finally unlock the secret golden popsicle level and your HP hits 100%.
What?
The glitch in the matrix forgets to sync your reflection.
Un poco de aire fresco.
Your cat thinks the light switch is the jump button to the next level of the simulation. When the discipline spray bottle accidentally becomes a refreshment station.
Stay.
You realize you are no longer the only baby in this house. You try to act cool in front of your... The ultimate snack has been located and the investigation is proceeding with maximum enthusiasm. That even the toughest garden projects can be derailed by a few tiny, unproperted supervisors who demand immediate The human starts opening a bag of chips in the kitchen and you have to switch to 2G surveillance mode. Exact moment the German Shepherd realized the sprinkler has zero respect for personal space. It is all. You try to start drama, but your opponent is laggy and your own physics engine just gave up. Look back at your mistakes but then realize you are your own biggest mistake. Ultimate hit and run. Finally work up the courage to leave your room but immediately remember why you stayed.
Huh?
Gravity 1, Cat 0. That Labrador thinks he is a cat but forgets the when your cat thinks he is a world-class goalie but realizes halfway through that he is actually just a cat.
Huh?
You are trying to find the red dot, but your friend's tail is the ultimate betrayer.
Hmm? Yeah.
You put your cat in a harness and it immediately forgets how to cat. The door is closed, but you know for a fact the catnip is in the other room. 47. The stairs are still winning. I am now a professional at walking in place and my glutes have never looked better. At this rate, I should reach the bottom. You finally reach the top bunk only to realize you forgot your phone charger downstairs.